And then the court orders Ruto to reinstate Wamanyoro back. Do you think Ruto will hesitate?
What do you think?
He can't. He will do it before even the end of the statement of the judge as they are reading. You find in Wamanyoro compound, the soldiers are there, the security is there, are waiting for him to be whisked and taken to his office.
But will Gachagua could agree?
Do you think Gachagua, with the condition of Matiang'i coming in, do you think him refusing to get an opportunity like that?
He might.
He can't resist that opportunity.
Actually,
because why he's fighting is not fighting because he liked or he loved Kenyans. He's fighting because he was removed from office and procedurally. Not because he loves Kikuyus. And the person who made this to happen is Raila. And Raila is a partner with Uhuru. And Uhuru now, Raila and Uhuru, they have brought their person called Matiang'i. Kindiki will be told to step down because he has not even made an impact. He has not made anything. Mpaka kwao. Hii kiti unaona hii kiti imeachwa vacant. The opposition will